Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. We next have a look at Worcester Bosch. It's got a code H09 on it. Basically, it's got a circulation issue on it. So we're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair it in this video. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing I want to check if there's any power going to the pump. Now the number 7 was the pump and I followed the diagram down. Now on the first clip on the left hand side, you got at the end, right, you got brown and blue wire. Now using my multimeter, I need to check if there's 240 going to the pump from the two wires. If there is, then the pump is faulty, but if there isn't, then the circuit board is faulty. So I checked the voltage on the brown and blue wires. Unfortunately, there was no voltage going to the pump. Just wanted to check the pump out in case it's seized. But the conclusion at the moment is the circuit board is faulty on it. So I'm going to go and collect the circuit board, come back. Hopefully we're going to fit it in and test it out. Service. So it's not covered now, yeah. So guys, I come down to my local boiler spare shops, which is Graham's Plumbing Merchants on Bromford Lane. I bought the circuit board from them at an amazingly competitive price. So thank you to them. Whoa. What's your... Would you please introduce yourself?
Oh, then, pal.
I just come to get the board from these guys. So if you need boiler parts, just pop down to Graham Plumbing Merchants on Bromford Lane. Right guys, I got the new circuit board. Come back to the property and we're just going to change the circuit board. And once it's changed, I'm hoping it'll be all working fine. Guys, if you got a broken down boiler at Birmingham or South Birmingham, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biassi, Baxi, Worcester Bosch and many more. We also repair Gledhill boilers too, water tanks. We offer boiler service and landlord gas safety certificates. If your boiler is broken down, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Let me just do this. My make a fool of myself. Right, guys, we just changed the circuit board on that. It wasn't giving any power to the pump. We did get suspicious on the pump, but the pump's fine. The hot water's working. Just testing out the circulating. We'll see how that goes. But I think it's working fine now. Yeah, the temperature's going up in the blade. Yeah, it's working fine. So it's all tested. Till next time, Birmingham, boiler fix. And this gentleman wants to give me a review, and I'm so grateful that he's going to give me a review. Come on this side.
Yeah, sure.
There you go.
Hi guys, I really recommend it. The guys' service is good, perfect, kind, and working fine.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
No.